Shocking visuals have emerged after Cyclone Tauktae hit the west coast, revealing the fury faced by Varaprada tugboat. Massive waves lashed the tugboat and it was drowned. Out of 13 persons, 11 died, including the person who recorded the scary video. Cyclone Tauktae fury and the person who recorded this particular scary video also is no more. These are shocking images of the devastation caught on camera. These visuals have emerged after Cyclone Tauktae hit the west coast, revealing the fury faced by Varaprada tugboat. And these massive waves that you see on your screens lashed the tugboat, and the tugboat drowned. Out of 13 persons, 11 died, and that includes the person who recorded the scary video. Pankaj Bhatia now joins us live for the very latest. Pankaj, walk our viewers through the visuals that you've got for us.
Yes, Jyoti, the chilling visuals from the tugboat Varaprada. Of course, we all know that the Indian Navy has revealed that out of the 13 crew members that were on board, 2 bodies are found, 2 survived and 11 were dead. And this is a chilling account. And this video was made by one of the people on board and a crew member, in fact, whose body has now been found in the in Valsad area near Gujarat. He is now no more. But this video shows those chilling moments. One can see how ferocious the high seas really were at that particular point of time, how high the waves really were, the kind of desperate attempts that were being made by the crew members at that particular moment to save themselves. Distress call had already been saved, but then such was the scenario that no help was coming to these people. In those desperate times, one of the crew members, a 22-year-old person, managed to make this video, and he shared the same video with one of his friends, and after that, no one knows what really happened. But we have accessed this chilling video. Now, a first-hand account of what happened in high seas around 35 nautical miles from the Mumbai coast, when the sea was absolutely rough, when even the Indian naval ship wasn't really in a position to reach these people. This is the exact moment of what was happening in the middle of the sea. The person who's made this video, a crew member, is no more. As I said, his body was found far off in Valsad near the Gujarat coast. But then the family members are still pained, still trying to figure out, join the bits and pieces. Today, I have with me a family member in distress. Meet Megha Jain. She is the wife of Saurav Jain. Saurav was a mechanical engineer, Chaiti, on board barge P305. This lady today is making an appeal to the Indian Navy that the search and rescue operations should not be stopped. Megha, what is your appeal? You are live on India Today right now.
I just want to appeal, don't stop your rescue operation, because some people are still there and they are alive. Just search for the near island also. Maybe they are there, because it's just not think we can accept the bodies that. No, search for the people, don't search for the bodies. From last 3 days I'm listening, this body doesn't mean to Saurabh. I don't want to listen that. Nobody want to listen, you know. We want our person back.
Megha, if you're in any position, help us understand, did Saurabh know that there was a cyclone warning? Did you people discuss about it?
Yes, he knows. He told me about it, that cyclone is coming and this time it's gonna be rough. So I asked him, why don't you gonna move from there? He said, no, captain has done all the calculation and he is in overconfidence that nothing will happen to this barge.
Did you ask him that rest of the vessels around that area were moving?
Yes, I know that, because one of my neighbor was also on some other the vessel. So I know other vessels are moving. I asked him. He said, no, this captain is not listening to anybody. We have tried. We have mailed also everyone. I don't know whom everyone he's saying because I don't have any access of his mail. But he said we have already mailed, but this guy also mailed his calculation and
So
his...
you were saying that everyone on board was well aware of the cyclone warning that was given. Communication was also given to the company, the captain as well. In spite of all these, all this information, they did not move to safer ground.
I don't know about how much he got the warning or everything, but they have the information because every day they send the daily progress report to their office. On 16 onwards, they don't have any communication to their office directly to send that report. In that report, they are saying weather is rough. We have moved about this meter from there and no works today.
What do you feel went wrong? Do you think anyone's responsible? Do you hold anyone responsible?
Yes, it is responsible. When you send the people over there, it's your responsibility. Then warning is coming. All government is saying vacant the shore also, and that barge was standing mid of the sea. How come it possible? 261 people were there. My husband's son is there. 261 people are on board. He is a mechanical engineer. He was not a worker. He doesn't know anything. He knows it. He was trying his best, but nobody has support. That time.
कंपनीज आपको कितनी मदद कर रही हैं? बाकी एजेंसीज की तरफ से कुछ मदद मिल पा रही है? कैसा कम्युनिकेशन है?
Initially, there was communication, but for the last few days, I don't see much communication from the company's end. Yes, G. Suresh called me yesterday morning that he is following up on the process, whatever is going on, and he took my email address and said I'll forward you the mail that.
No, because the word that I've had with the various agencies, attached with this incident, say that they are in continuous touch with the family members. Is it true? क्या ये सच है? Family members से तमाम एजेंसियां टच में हैं, मदद कर रही हैं?
तमाम एजेंसीज तो नहीं, लेकिन हाँ, सौरभ जिस कंपनी में काम करता था CIL में, उसके एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं, HR भी हमारे टच में हैं, उनके CEO हमारे टच में हैं रेगुलर.
Megha, last question. Do you think that this incident could have been averted if proper procedures were followed?
Yes, it could. Because when other barges are coming from the same field, even 200 meters far, that barge was there. It moved, but you stand there. How come you give a responsibility of 261 people on a single person when you have a report?
Absolutely. So, Shati, many questions remain. So you have the first-hand account from the family member who still find themselves absolutely helpless. They have many questions for the owner of the barge, many questions for the captain as well, and many questions for the various agencies involved.
Yes, continue with that coverage right there, Pankaj. A lot of people are in distress at the moment, and we're bringing you ground reports right there. Victims' kin appealing to the Navy to continue the search. Megha's husband was on board barge B305. That's the latest that is coming in right there. We'll continue getting you all the latest. Moving on to Cyclone